How to use the same camera in multiple apps. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If you have noticed, you usually can't use the same camera for multiple apps. For example, using your camera in OBS and TikTok Live simultaneously. But don't worry, I've got a fix for that. First, create a new scene in OBS. Right click, select add and name it whatever you like. I will call mine webcam. Next, add a source to this scene by right clicking again. Selecting add and choosing video capture device. This is where you will set up your camera. Make sure to select your camera as input device. Now, insert that this scene includes only your camera and nothing else. We want a clean, dedicated feed. Next, let's configure the virtual camera. Next to the start virtual camera button, you will see a settings button. Click on it. Under output type, select scene. And then for output selection, choose the scene you created earlier. In this case, webcam. Once done, click OK. Now, click on Start Virtual Camera in OBS. Open TikTok Live, add a new camera source and select OBS Virtual Camera instead of your default camera. You will now be able to use the same camera feed in TikTok Live. You can even use it on other platforms like Discord, as long as you select OBS Virtual Camera in the settings. And here we go. Now you know how to use the same camera in multiple apps. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.